living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at parts of the house. Let's check it out. As always, I start my classes with a rules slide where we go over the rules, and I remind the students if they follow the rules, they have a reward at the end of the class. This particular lesson is about the house, the parts of the house, and a little bit about family. And it's aimed towards the higher level grades of primary and elementary school in China. So we start off with parts of the house, and I'll try and elicit parts of the house from the students and see if they can tell me what the different parts of the house are. And then we're going to go into some flashcards. So I'll have them drill the pronunciation and go over how to use it in a sentence, and that it's a noun and stuff, and that there's often a noun plus a room, so it's like a compound noun. So we see beds in the bedroom, so it's a bedroom. We see a bath in the bathroom, so it's a bathroom. And I'll ask them what sort of things they see in these different rooms, and then I'm going to start of bridge out and see if they can tell me any other rooms that they could think of, and we'll get a little bit crazy. So we'll talk about things, like, oh, your dinner room, oh, it's a dining room, and I'll see if they might say book room, and I'll say no, we have our own individual word for that, like a study or library. But it's fun for them to play with the language, and a ballroom may be something that they'll want to build in the future. I don't know. So we'll go through all the pronunciation and drills and presentation of the language that we're focusing on this class. And then we're going to do a quick game where we have to identify what the room is. So this one, there's actually a text prompt as well. So I'm tired, so I sleep in the bedroom. So this one's pretty easy, as they've got a text prompt and a small visual prompt for them as well. So after that game, we'll go into a chant. It's a video where we go over the words, and it's a little fun as well. Back from the game, we're going into family members, and family members being in different parts of the house. So before I actually go into the game, I'll identify all the different members of the family in the house from this slide. So brother, sister, mother, father, baby, dog, etc. And then I need them to identify where the family member is. For example, the mother is in the bathroom, the family member is in the blah room. So now they've got a structure to be using the actual language that we've been learning. And then we're going to sing a song about the house. Back from that song, we're going to go into another game. And this game is basically a hidden picture game, where they have to identify what the actual part of the house is. And this one, they can actually click on the bricks and it will slowly reveal what the room is.
Living room.
And we've got a whole different ones here. There's no visual prompts, text prompts for them, so they have to remember the word and just do it solely from piecing the hidden picture puzzle parts. Then after this, what I'll do is a more production-based activity where I'll have students draw their own house and maybe draw their family members, and then in groups or in pairs, I'll have them put the cutouts of their family members into the different parts of the house that they have drawn and get them to practice those sentences that we've established during the class. If you don't want to do cutouts, you can just have them use their school items like pencil, book, and put them into the different parts of the house, and they can use that same structure but with different classroom vocabulary. For example, the pencil is in the bathroom. If you enjoyed that PowerPoint video walkthrough, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. If you want a copy of this lesson, check out the link below. Bye bye.